In My New Business, you'll find really useful information if you're thinking of working for yourself, or if you're in the early stages of setting up your own business. There's also information for you if you're already trading and still need a helping hand. We can help you decide whether working for yourself is right for you and support you in your startup journey. My New Business has lots of videos and tools, plus other learning resources like tutorials and case studies. And all of them are aimed at helping people, like you, get their business started. They cover everything, from coming up with a strong business idea and developing it, to identifying and reaching your customers to turn that idea into a successful business. Perhaps you're planning to buy an existing business or a franchise. If so, we can help with that too. You'll also find tips on things like the different ways you could fund your venture, plus guidance on all the tax and legal matters you'll need to think about too. It's backed by the government, so you can be confident our information can be trusted, as well as showing you the key ingredients behind every successful business. We'll show you how to develop them for your business. That means helping you with key tasks, like researching your target market and writing a business plan. It doesn't matter what stage you're at in your journey to working for yourself, there's information to suit everyone. Our information's easy to access too. You can browse the site to find video and e-learning resources specific to whatever it is you're currently trying to do or would like to know more about. Or you can use our Recommended Startup Tasks tool. This tool will guide you through the process of turning your ideas into a successful, well-run business. You can choose from a list of tasks to create your own personal startup checklist. Each task is a collection of bite-sized, confidence-building videos, tutorials, and tools. To get even more out of the site, you can choose to register. It's quick, easy, and free to do, and it lets you save the tasks and tools you've looked at to return to whenever you want. You can also browse our learning directory to find useful tools, tutorials, and case studies by topic or media type. Put simply, My New Business will help you decide if working for yourself is right for you and guide you through the process of turning your ideas into a successful, well-run business.